It's day 153, 2016, and today we have more announcements from Computex, and OnePlus 3's launch date has been confirmed. This is FoneArena Daily. Let's begin. At Computex today, AMD has announced a new graphics card, which is the Radeon RX 480, and they claim it's VRready, and it just costs $199. That's the most important part of the news here. For $199, currently you cannot get a VR capable card, but they say it is possible with this card, and one of the reasons could be its newest architecture, which is called the Polaris architecture, which is based on a 14nm FinFET process and improves the efficiency massively. They say, like heat efficiency, power efficiency, everything. They say it's massively improved, that they can provide virtual reality level of power in a smaller and a cheaper package, which is the RX 480. We are not sure how they did it. They are not telling us in detail, but it may be providing us hints in terms of pricing and variants. So for example, the base variant starts with 4 GB of VRAM. Now that's not very common in lower end graphics cards. Yes, you see 2 GB, 3 GB variants, but their processing power is usually less, and you don't see this advanced memory or huge memory in lower end cards. That may provide us a hint as to where it's going, but this will definitely lower the cost of entry into VR gaming, because right now VR gaming PCs cost about $1,000. This will massively bring the cost down, so we are very much looking forward to what happens after this, and Nvidia might need to ready an answer for this. At Computex, Microsoft too has announced a couple of things. One is the update for Hololens developer kit, which adds a lot of new features. They released a video, so you can check it out. It's linked in the description below. It basically adds more options to whatever that was happening inside the holographic OS. And the second update is that the holographic OS, which the HoloLens runs on, is not just for AR anymore. It's a mixed reality operating system that can be used by VR manufacturers as well. This they have announced at Computex in Taiwan, and they have listed all these partners. HTC is one of them. They have released a video for that too, and in that video, HTC Vive works with the HoloLens and basically can communicate with each other in the same mixed reality environment. So that's possible because of the same computing platform, which is there on the Windows PC now, as well as the holographic computer on the Microsoft HoloLens. So new possibilities will open up after this, but it will be interesting to see where this goes forward, from being a PC-based operating system to somewhere inside a headset maybe in the future. We'll see what happens. A new report claims that Xiaomi has withdrawn its request for exemption of the 30% local sourcing norm for opening single-branded retail stores. We already reported that Apple's request was rejected by the government, and maybe Xiaomi has taken a leave from that decision and has decided not to request this exemption. Or maybe they have reached the 30% local sourcing norm. They do have their assembling factories in India, so maybe that's the reason they did it. But the news is out that Xiaomi has withdrawn its request, and so obviously it will be opening its single-branded retail stores only when that requirement is met. The OnePlus 3 is all set to be launched in VR, like we had reported earlier, but when was a big question. Now it has been revealed because OnePlus has released an app which is called the Loop app, and this will be what you will use to view the event in VR. It's going to be interactive, as Kalpe has mentioned before, but the countdown that is inside the app has revealed the launch date, which is going to be 14th of this month. So June 14th, you will be getting to know what the OnePlus 3 is all about. We've already seen the press image, which could be completely real or fake. We don't know yet, but it's pretty much in line with the expectations. So OnePlus 3 might look like it, and it's definitely going to be launched in VR. And for the point of discussion, I just want to ask, are you planning to buy the OnePlus 3? Have you waited for this flagship, and why? Let us know in the comment section below, and that's about it for today's show. Do check out the deal of the day in the description, and of course all the Computex coverage that's happening on the YouTube channel and the blog. Do check them out, and yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you later with more technology news.